Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chicken bone stock. This foundational ingredient elevates many dishes, adding depth and richness. To begin, you'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of chicken bones, which can be leftover carcasses or raw bones. Also, gather 1 large onion, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, a bay leaf, and a few sprigs of fresh parsley or thyme. Finally, have 12 to 16 cups of cold water ready. First, for a richer, deeper flavor, roast your chicken bones in an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes until lightly browned. This step is optional but highly recommended. Next, transfer the roasted bones and your prepared vegetables into a large stock pot. Pour in enough cold water to completely cover all the ingredients, typically 12 to 16 cups. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-high heat, then reduce the heat to low. As your stock begins to simmer, you'll notice foam and impurities rising to the surface. It's important to skim these off, especially during the first hour, to ensure a clear and clean stock. Maintain a very low, gentle simmer throughout the cooking process. Never let it come to a rolling boil, as this can make your stock cloudy. Allow the stock to cook for at least 4 to 6 hours for good flavor, or up to 12 hours for a truly rich result. Once your stock has simmered for the desired time, carefully remove it from the heat. Strain the entire contents through a fine mesh sieve or a colander lined with cheesecloth into a clean bowl or pot. Discard the solids. Allow the stock to cool completely at room temperature before transferring it to airtight containers. You can store this homemade chicken stock in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, or freeze it for up to 6 months for future use in your cooking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.